This is a vanilla bean pod, and today I'm making vanilla extract because I am tired of the essence thing which has no real vanilla in it, no hard feelings, but I really want you to try the actual thing. So I bought these vanilla pods जिन पे लिखा था imported from Madagascar. Impressive. इनको बीच में से cut and scrape किया to check अंदर कुछ है या नहीं. The product was decent. अपने सारे beans को split कर लो. No need to scrape them all. Then transfer them to a well sterilized jar and fill with alcohol. I chose vodka. You do you. For a sweeter profile, go with rum or a bourbon for something deep. मैंने vodka को इसलिए चुना because this is completely neutral. Close and place in a cool dry place, stirring occasionally. Now we let it sit. The longer the better. In a few weeks you will start seeing color. In about 2-3 months it will be ready to use. Wait for a year to get the best results.